I need some glasses. Hey, y'all. My fingernails? Why do you want to see my fingernails? We about to go bowling. I'm going just like this. Because I don't give a fuck. This is Fendi, y'all. His name is Fendi. His name's Fendi. Babe! Blue! Yeah. You ready? I tried to take me a nap, but it didn't work because my phone kept ringing. So, yeah. Mm. That water was good. This right here is only for your eyes to see, but you can carry away, saying we can do it wherever. The way you watching me. That water was so good too. It ain't my birthday, it was Blue's birthday. We met a bond from the very beginning.
Alright, we're gonna drive an hour. We're gonna go pick up a Van Gogh.
We about to pick up a what?
A Van Gogh.
What is that?
A Van Gogh painting. An hour away. And then we're gonna go bowling.
Is it gonna fit?
It'll fit in my truck. You ready to ride?
Yeah, I'm waiting on you. What area we riding in?